I bet you didn't know whooping cough cases have more than quadrupled this year. Yep, it's true. So, why is whooping cough making a comeback? Experts say it's mostly because of lower vaccination rates after the COVID-19 pandemic. Teens and tweens who haven't had their booster shots are seeing their immunity wane, and that's causing outbreaks. This disease is super contagious, and while older kids and adults usually get through it okay, it's really dangerous for newborns. That's why doctors are stressing the importance of vaccinations, especially for pregnant women and young kids. Remember, the CDC has a recommended vaccination schedule to keep your family safe. Let's keep whooping cough in check by staying up to date with those shots. Stay healthy out there. Don't forget to hit that like button for more quick health tips.